How to post in stereo. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to post in stereo. To post a like a video or photo here in stereo, all we need to do is open up our stereo right here. Here at our stereo, we can post videos or picture right here. To do that, all we need to do, you see a plus like a plus icon right in the middle. Press on that right there. When you press on that right there, as you see right now, you can put in the title of your talk and put in humor right there, something like that. There you go. And allow that right there, and then you can also accept, agree, something like that. And then yeah, now you can put the job, but now we're gonna click on no thanks right there. So we're just gonna click on no thanks, we end on that, the end. So yeah, talk ended. So now click on the plus icon right here, put in title of your talk, or like something like Apple, something like that. And now you can start talking area right there. Now once you start the talking area right there, now you can talk to people and that and whatnot right there. And to post right here, click on the post right next to talk right here and put in right here. You can put in image by putting image on here on the bottom left corner right there. There's a camera icon. You can take a picture right now, post a gif, or maybe add a photo from your gallery by just pressing on the gallery icon right there. Or you can just add some words, say hi, then click on done, then click on post. To post, please add audio and comment. But add in audio, hold for 1 second. 1 second. There you go. 1 second. There you go. Now click on post. So there you go guys, that's how you post here on stereo. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, if you have a question, concerns, type it in the comment section below guys. I'll answer as soon as possible in here. Guy Glimpse. And thank you guys.